What's up, everybody? It's Alien Fab over here at AQK, and we're gonna pull this all apart, cut these off. We got some new bracketry from Tin Soldiers we're gonna throw on because these are way too many adjustments for what he's doing, and whoever did it welded it offset. Went off of a center line on the mark on the axle that's not center, so we have a little issues there. So I'll keep you guys updated as we pull this all apart. So we got the brackets all cut off, car's all apart. Got the brackets all cut out of it, and now I'm starting to DA it. My DA, the switch doesn't work anymore. But yeah, we're chugging along. Use the plasma cutter to cut all this off. They already had the housing truss cut, so it's going to be a little weird. It's going to be like an inch gap over here and 3/4 of an inch gap over here, but it'll work out. So good morning, everybody. It is now Friday. We got these cut off here yesterday. This other side, I've never seen someone sleeve tubing like that. That is insane. Let's see if we can get some light on the subject. This is what we're working with. I stuffed the inner tub back in there, and now I gotta grind all that down so we can remount it, because one side was like 3 inches out and the other side over there was completely different. And then last night, AQK kicking ass, welded up the rear end with the Tin Soldiers 4-link setup, which looks amazing on here. I'm super jealous. I'm completely considering getting this same bracketry for my car. But you see the gap because of the way they cut it. It's kind of shitty, but that's the only thing. But the welds and everything looks so nice. You did such a good job. So keep you updated. And here's the other side. This is what the other side looks like. I got it pretty much down to nothing. Just got more grinding to do. Grinding these off, I mean, you guys out there having people build you cars, you got to really watch who's building you cars, because look, this is what was holding the rear suspension on. This is only welded like halfway around. Like the whole top's not welded. That one's not welded up there. Like, and he sleeved the hell out of it, but it's one tube that's 120 wall. Like, it's not even 120 wall. It's a 90 wall. You guys just gotta, like, not do this backyard shit. Like, take it to a shop. Take it to someone that's been doing it for years. It works out way better. You don't have to do it twice. This guy literally is doing this job twice, because this was a good idea. Like, I've never seen this before. This is, I don't know. Anybody know what these are called, other than some stuff off of some late model circle track car? Please let us know, because we're curious.